This is our first vlog, and we hope you like it. But we're just having fun. Make sure y'all stay tuned and make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss any of our uploads. And follow us on our social medias at kinggdamo with 2 G's, prettyfacejazzyyyy with 4 Y's, and just stay tuned. What's the deal?
What's the word? It's your boy Damo.
And it's your girl Jazz, and we're back with another lit video. Ready? What's the deal?
What's the word?
It's your boy. It's.
Alright, go ahead.
What's the deal?
What's the word? It's your boy Damo.
And it's your girl Jazz.
And we're back
with another lit video for you guys. So guys, try not to get splashed on while recording, but so we're out here in Zilker Park. Zilker Park. Babe right there. Just having a good time. It feels so good out here, but this water is so cold. And I'm in the front. He thinks he's a pro, but I'm really the pro. If he's a pro, why is he making us go all the way over here, y'all? Anyways, you guys, so yeah, we're just what'd you say?
I'll take a shower after this.
For real. Yeah, that's water. Got all types of stuff in the water. I almost tipped over. But yeah, guys, like, this is fun. We're out here with our fam. They're all the way up there. But you know, we're in the bag. It's okay, winners are in the back, you know. Right, babe? Yeah. Got the winners in the back. We got the winners in the back, the losers in the front. It's okay though.
She ain't even pedaling, y'all.
Cause he said he gotta be a pro, so he don't need me. Yeah, so. See, like all the stuff in the water. We got big head ass back there.
So we just coasting, man.
He thinks he's better than me, y'all. He's not. He just barely like learned how to do it really, but
I know I'm better.
He's not better, but see.
No competition.
Why are you over there talking mess? There goes babe back there. No. No! Oh my god! Oh my god! He gonna make me drop the camera. But you know, guys, it's really fun.
Now can y'all see me? Hold on, I'm doing this at the same time. Hold on, man. Yeah, this way. I got it. I got you. I'm real good at this. I told her.
It's like riding a bike. You gotta learn how to do this all over again. So, and I haven't did this really like since high school. And man, this is a journey, but it's so much fun. Like, this is where all the people are. Look at that. All the people are over there. That's a lot of people over there, man. Y'all see all these people? We're in the best city. We're in Austin, Texas. Nobody's practicing social distance. We're just enjoying our time. Look at Babe with his big head.
Look, I can just go like that. Which way y'all trying to go though?
So I'm just canoeing out here with Babe, enjoying our couple time, you know. We're out here with our fam. They invited us. Having such a good time. Ooh, what the heck did I hit?
Do you like this shirt?
But, yeah, teach me.
I'm getting cold, bro.
Oh, so bright out here. Look like I got a comb head.
You got what?
I got like a long head with my hair like this.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I got a long head. Yeah. I said I got a long head. He said yeah. I know you ain't talking. I know you ain't talking with that whopper on your head. You got that milk dud head. Oh, it's so beautiful outside, y'all.
It's hot out here. We're going hard, paddling. Look, go this side, yeah. I'm trying to show her how to do it, y'all. I've been doing it for a long time, man. I've been doing it for a long time. Hit that, yeah, hit that side. You know what I'm saying? All right, hit this side. Now let us float. I'm trying to tell her how to do it. There you go. There you go. Right behind. Better poke. Right, hold on. Hold on, this. You keep on going the wrong way. Alright. Alright, keep going right. Alright, now hit look. That's how you do it. But it's really on me to do it. Because I'm like the power, I'm like the steering. It's pretty cool though. It's a lot of people. There was a lot of people back there. Now, we gotta steer. There's a lot of steering up in this one. Hey, trying to focus. That's pretty cool. I'm trying to tell you. I'm real good. You know what I'm saying? See, you going forward right now in the straight way. Hey, I'm trying to learn from everybody else. That's all I'm trying to do. Yes, sir. You already know. Been trying to go hard. We chilling, man. It's nice out here. Just making the best out of the time. You know what I'm saying? My kin folks, them. My cousin. We out here chillaxing. Yeah, man, we in the water. No waves. They all on my head. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? But we still float. Let them things, boy. Ooh, he got one that you just. That's pretty nice. Why don't we think about that? Huh? Because how we bounce, we got hydraulics on this motherfucker. Ooh, you a front line. Alright, this way. There you go. There you go. I already know what you be doing though, babe. And when somebody get in front, we get too close. Hold on, this way. Good. Keep it straight. When we get too close, you start hesitating and start going both ways and shit. I'm tired. Look at her. Hello. Okay. Big dog, huh? You big dog. Big general. I don't need your help. So guess what I'm doing? That's crazy though. Look how strong she is. Yeah, got some muscles in her arm. This way, this side.
He's still huffing me, y'all.
Oh, the boat turning. That's your sister. I said sisters. The sister. You know what I'm saying? Look, we going hard out here, man.
I had to take a break because he said my heat a pro. I'm the pro. My arm tired as shit. Like,
I gotta go down.
he looks so cute back there, y'all, with his big ass head. We gotta make our way all the way down there to that bridge. So we've been canoeing for like, how long we been canoeing for, babe?
About 35.
What?
35? And we going to 35. That's the crazy thing, man.
Anywho, so we gotta make it down there, but you know, we'll see you soon. This is our first vlog, and we hope you like it. Make sure y'all stay tuned, and make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss any of our uploads, and follow us on our social medias at kinggdamo with 2 G's, prettyfacejazzyyyy with 4 Y's, and just stay tuned. He's talking about this is a rock. I mean a turtle. That's a rock.
Yeah, no. You got what?
He's messing with you. Man, we've been having a good time, man. What about you?
Say what?
What about you?
Come here, say what?
You been having a good time?
Oh, yeah. This is real nice. You know, it's real relaxing. You know,
It is.
Your mind off stuff. Seeing the sun, the water, the trees, everything.
I
It's a whole
know.
village out here, man.
Right. I love my baby. We having a good time, you know. Get your shoe out of my way.
Okay. They try to take off on us.
But yeah, you know, we just
You don't
chilling.
let that-
But we're gonna go ahead and just end the vlog. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.
If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any of our uploads. And follow us on our social medias. Peace.